Welcome back to History of the World. Today, we're exploring the story behind one of the world's most famous symbols of freedom, the Statue of Liberty. From her towering presence in New York Harbor to the hidden meanings in her design, let's uncover the fascinating legacy of Lady Liberty. The Statue of Liberty's story begins in France in the 1860s. It was a time when France and the United States shared a bond of revolutionary ideals. French intellectual and legal expert Edouard René de Laboulaye dreamed of gifting a statue to America, something that would not only celebrate their friendship, but also honor the United States' commitment to liberty and democracy. Laboulaye saw this as a way to inspire similar democratic ideals within his own country, which was emerging from political turmoil. The project needed a visionary artist, and Laboulaye knew the perfect person for the job: Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, a French sculptor known for his ambitious works. Inspired by the concept, Bartholdi began dreaming of a massive statue that would embody the values of liberty and freedom. Initially, he wanted the statue to serve as a lighthouse for the Suez Canal, but when that project didn't take off, he set his sights on the United States. He envisioned a statue of a woman holding a torch, symbolizing enlightenment, and wearing a crown with 7 rays, representing the spread of liberty across the 7 continents and seas. And thus, the initial vision for the Statue of Liberty began to take shape. Creating a statue as large as the Statue of Liberty posed significant engineering challenges. Bartholdi reached out to Gustave Eiffel, the engineer who would later build the Eiffel Tower, to design the statue's framework. Eiffel developed a revolutionary iron skeleton that could support the immense copper sheets forming Liberty's skin, allowing her to withstand harsh weather without collapsing under her own weight. Eiffel's innovative approach enabled the statue's hollow structure, allowing visitors to climb inside and reach the crown. While the statue was being constructed in France, fundraising efforts were underway in both countries. The French public, from school children to wealthy patrons, donated funds to bring Lady Liberty to life. Meanwhile, in America, the statue's pedestal project faced financial setbacks. Joseph Pulitzer, publisher of the New York World, launched a campaign urging citizens to contribute. In return, he promised to print the names of every single donor, no matter how small their contribution. Pulitzer's campaign captured the public's heart, and within months, enough funds were raised to complete the pedestal. In June 1885, the Statue of Liberty arrived in New York Harbor, disassembled into 350 pieces packed in 214 crates. The anticipation was immense as workers began the task of reassembling her on Ellis Island. The process took over a year, with each piece carefully hoisted and fastened into place, and finally, on October 28, 1886, the statue was unveiled to a massive crowd, including President Grover Cleveland, who presided over the ceremony. Every element of the Statue of Liberty was carefully designed to convey powerful symbols. Her torch represents enlightenment, a light guiding people toward freedom. The tablet in her left hand is inscribed with the date of American independence, July 4, 1776, linking her purpose directly to the nation's founding ideals. Her broken chains and shackles at her feet represent freedom from oppression, and her stance, facing outward, signifies a welcoming invitation to those seeking refuge. The Statue of Liberty gained even greater significance in the early 20th century as millions of immigrants passed by her on their way to Ellis Island, the gateway to America. For these immigrants, the statue became a powerful symbol of hope, representing a fresh start and the promise of freedom. She was a first sight of America for those fleeing poverty, persecution, and war, and her image filled them with the courage to begin a new life. In 1883, American poet Emma Lazarus wrote a sonnet titled The New Colossus, as part of the effort to raise funds for the statue's pedestal. Her powerful words, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free," forever cemented the Statue of Liberty as a symbol of refuge and inclusion. Her poem transformed Lady Liberty from a monument to a powerful invitation, welcoming all who sought freedom and opportunity. The Statue of Liberty has withstood the test of time, standing tall through wars, storms, and countless changes in the world. In the 1980s, she underwent an extensive restoration to preserve her beauty and strength, ensuring she would continue to inspire future generations. Today, Lady Liberty remains a cherished landmark, attracting millions who come to experience her grandeur and reflect on her timeless message. As we wrap up our journey, the Statue of Liberty stands tall, a timeless symbol of freedom and hope. From its grand unveiling in 1886 to its lasting impact on generations of immigrants, Lady Liberty continues to inspire. Its message of liberty and equality endures, shining brightly across the world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.